Hello people of Earth, and welcome back to another episode of Primal Carnage. Now, today instead of just messing around, I'm actually going to play. Now, as you can see, I have installed a new skin for each of them. Now, there is that one for the Pterodon, that one for the Novoraptor, that one for the Dilophosaurus, that one for the T-Rex, and the one for the one I can't say, which is annoying me. Okay, so I'm going to play as a T-Rex, if you'll let me. Nah. Thought so. So let's play as a raptor. Now, raptors are quite lethal in this game. Because they're one of the sneakiest ones, as you can maybe tell by this. Oh crap. As you can see, I'm just stalking this guy and going to pounce. Oh, the stupid T-Rex. Oh, I got it. Yeah. Oh, my God. And it's just like lurk right behind him. As you can see, there's a trapper. Let's get him. As you can see, there's the most fastest ones in the game. What the heck is going on here? Everyone's just crowded into one corner to get that one guy. Oh, he's still alive. How did he make it? Now, the way to survive as a raptor is to be stealthy.
Ah, you wanna fight?
And not just do that. That's kind of as you can see, I'm quite sad at this game. Although I just did get one kill. Never mind, the leaderboard. Yeah. I've got 150 points as I suspected. And as you see, that's how you pounce. As I tried to do in the last video, but failed miserably. So let's take on this guy. No, not. But it is quite fun, so yeah. In my Don't Starve series, I put in the Steam link, so go to that if you want to download it. Pretty much all the games I've been playing, except for Minecraft. That was on the internet. So yeah, let's go as another raptor again. Because they're like one of my favourites. And we can, I don't think, I see big explosions. They're probably over there. Just a little guess, just a little guess. Because T-Rexes can surely shoot out bullets from their mouth. And how did I miss that? Okay, well, that was a bit, grim. Yeah, T-Rex is only.
Wanna go?
I just mauled someone to death. As you can see, this game is pretty violent. I need to get to food now. Food is actually what heals you, if I can make it to food. Quickly hide. Oh, that was close. Food. Spinosaurus. Oh, that's not fair. Come on. I was hiding. No, that's just not good. Games, you can never trust them. I think that just leads back out to the wilderness. Yeah. I don't think this is where many people are actually at. They're mostly at down here. As you can see, this game is still very glitchy. It is in beta at the moment. It is version 1.1.9. So yeah, if you'd like to download it, as I said, there is a link in the description for Don't Starve, episode 1 file. Yeah, so cannot find any. Oh, I just got owned by a girl. That's sad. That's just sad. Okay, let's try and be a T-Rex. Dilophosaurus? She's almost went off that edge. Doesn't see, I quite like his skin frame. He looks a bit like a spotted leopard. A white spotted leopard. With a blue frill. Oh, and here's the food supply that I was trying to find earlier that was really, yeah, it's pretty grim, but you press E on it and you heal it completely. And also, I found out this you can do in Primal Carnage. If you actually roll by pressing Q, like this, you alert that there's someone there if there's someone is around you. So that means other players can actually see where the humans are, which is like one of the most handiest things ever. But the flying ones, pterodons, are probably the most best to use it. Let's just hide here. So yeah. I think I'll die one more time in the episode here. Oh, see? Now see how they have their eyes above their heads? Yeah, that means someone has roared all over them and someone just went away. That means they're no longer visible to the world. So I got like this. And completely down. And I killed him. Okay, well I've been Cherry Bomb, thanks for watching, and see you all guys later. Bye.